Boruto episode 173 just revived one of the Naruto's most dangerous enemies as a part of the Kara's master plan. The Boruto anime has gone into overdrive recently with Kara's intention coming into the light. Victor and Deepa are hoping to play a part in the ultimate plan of feeding on the chakra fruit. The latest episode ties directly into this feast because it has shockingly revived one of the Naruto's deadliest enemies, the God Tree itself. When the feudal lord of the land of Valley comes to the Victor's lab, he and his bodyguards are taken to a secret section after being disinfected. However, his entourage is revealed to be Mugino and Konohamaru, who shapeshifted and assume these positions. They break the lord out of his genjutsu, where he thinks he is seeing science cells with the Hashirama cells healing people. When the facade drops, he realizes he is in a Magbre experimental chamber where the DNA is mutating into a giant beast. Konohamaru and Mugino starts fighting off assailants as Victor and his assistants escape, indicating to the Lord they want to save him and get the DNA back to Konoha. Unfortunately, that will be easier said than done as the creature's tentacles are revealed to be roots. With one sapping chakra from Konohamaru's arm, this is the first sign of what the entity is. And as it breaks the contaminant unit, the tree rises up with the divine flower atop it. This is why Victor has been collecting people fused with the unique DNA in overhead tanks. They are basically batteries, providing chakra to the tree. Hashirama's genetics boost their energy levels and make the fruit richer. Granted, it is much smaller than the tree from when the Kaguya manipulated Obito and Madara. When its flowers look like it's filled with chakra, Kaguya's tree trapped all the ninja alliance including Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura, and once it drained everyone's life essence, she could eat the fruit, evolve, and then move to another planet. The tree needs a master plan or else it could run wild. And it seems Vector's trying to be this too if he and Deepa could upgrade too. It's unknown if there will be a side effect or if Jigen commissioned this as a test, but it seems to be working. Sadly, Victor's got 2 floors worth of staffs he is going to sacrifice. But it could get worse. The tree may turn into a version of the Ten Tails. This beast husk is the seedling for the tree. So it's unknown how wrapped a diluted version can be or what it could do should the tree revert to such a form. Victor himself might not be able to predict what is going to happen due to the violence and unpredictable natures of Hashirama's DNA as well as whatever base he used for the tree. Luckily, Konohamaru remembers what happened during the Kaguya war and knows he will have to get this news back to Naruto and Konoha as soon as possible. If the tree goes sentient again, there will be a hell lot of to pay. It is a really critical situation in Boruto anime right now and I am really excited to watch the next episodes of Boruto. Even though I have read manga and I know what's gonna happen in Boruto, but still anime is anime. I really like to watch it rather than read it. So yeah, that was the video guys, and yeah, for the last 2 days I wasn't able to upload any video because I was on a little travel trip, so that's why I wasn't able to upload any video. If you enjoyed this video, just like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content on top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news and theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe.